Jabuna mokondoraiga, I'm just a product of prayer. Na mokondoraiga, I'm just a product of grace. Enema ya Nyasaye. No manyitinga kananga gona kwitikale. So on earth, I don't have another business to do. I don't have another business to do. Amatukemerongebera na etwemenyoka. I don't have time. Kokora mangana ya yubo saria agokwanu online. I don't have time yo kokoro bunyaka uvogo kwanwa. I don't have time yo engage myself asa mangana ya turocha gutara simitandao. The only time and chance I only have a chance to serve the living God who has brought me from a deathbed. I only have a chance. Yo gokorera Nyasaye mirimo uriyo nduzitia sigitanda kia makweli na ari gukwa agankonya. I've been gone through emiriro, through turmoil, through persecution, but Nyasaye onkonya na abera. So that is the Lord I'll keep on serving. Nekeron komokorera. This is the time na nyorire chinguru mono komokorera. Gekogera persecution asabantu ba Nyasaye is sure. My fans, my friends, to my family, I don't have more time here on earth. I have a condition. Yeah. Nimbwate condition of which I don't know. Timanyeti. Yani riziki timbwate chinga kichoko na kakole binti. Gekogera timanyeti. The condition I have when I will leave this earth. Timanyeti condition nimbwate ndindarua. So tintake tindwa mbeke irego biyo bunyaka. Tintake tindwa mbeke irego biyo buibi. Tintake tindwa mbeke irego biyo bokora. Yoko bakiro libugo bulimo kuliera bantu bokora. Tintake tindwa ansariti abantu amalieta. Tintake tindwa ntiga abantu bande bakolera barat broken. Why inkirisikia ya kwero muntu muri. I want to live here. Ntige ntuge kwa clean legacy. Because my days, as I've said, I don't know naringarabe. I have a condition. I have a deadly condition that I'm managing. Erori ya name each day. Nchego nkunywa mariogo. Mbwata mariogo nkunywa. Just to keep me going. I don't know ngayi engineer alimire. I don't know ngayi when the engine will switch off. I'm under medication I'm taking each day. The 40,000 with the chiko na gotrend zika. Ejine chibasa chiko ngorera mariogo metinye tano nkona kunywa. I don't have time. I come from a family, elefanarible. A family botaka, where the real definition you botaka ero. Maybe God has given me a chance. Yokoba, when I'm living, I leave them in a better place. When I'm living, I leave my family in a better place. When they are comfortable. Wherever we are. Vara manyenga Nyasaye. Na tumegete mwana ituri kuriziki. Tukaba where we are. So I don't have time to indulge myself as if interview kwano semitandao. I want to appreciate you. I want to thank you. Because menishikilia sana. Prayed for me.
Mnavyoona tu anazidi kutiririka na mawazo mengi. Ni jambo gumu ambalo kwa wengi limetugusa sana. Na kini ya haya yote Mungu anasema kwamba kuna sababu haya yote ambayo nakuja. Na kwenu ambao mnazidi kumuombea kaka yetu Riziki, tuomba kwamba mzidi kumuombea.